In this video, we will talk about how you can switch your brain to eating healthy food, or you can control your brain to stop eating junk or unhealthy food. So, the first thing first is I hope you have watched my previous video. So, the first thing is you have to acknowledge that um, the food you are eating is unhealthy and you have to stop it. You can watch my video on YouTube in which I mentioned what food not to eat. So once you have done the acknowledgement and you have accepted it by heart that the food you are eating is not good for you, then the next step comes. So before that, I want to say that food addiction is pretty much similar to smoking addiction or alcohol addiction, because once you are hooked up to some food like pizzas, burgers, whatever, they deliberately put chemicals in it so that you get hooked up to it, you get used to it, and you keep eating it again and again, which is pretty similar to cigarette or alcohol. So keep in mind that you are dealing with the real addiction. You are not just dealing with a choice. So you have to take it seriously. So once you acknowledge that you have to stop this, I'm not expecting anyone to just stop it completely. It's not possible. For some people, if the willpower is strong, they can do it. But for other people, it's very hard. So all I want you to do is acknowledge it and talk to your brain and tell yourself that you have to stop it and keep doing what you are doing. If you are addicted to unhealthy junk food, keep eating it. But in your heart, in your brain, talk to your brain and accept that you are doing wrong. Every day when you wake up in the morning, every time you see it, every time you smell it, every time you put it in your mouth, just say that you are doing it wrong. So once you start doing it, once you start talking to yourself, then your brain is gonna start rewiring itself, and you will start finding alternatives. Also, once you start talking about it into your heart and brain, you have to start looking for alternatives. There are a lot of alternatives, and if you mention in the comment, I can mention that as well. So once you start doing this, once you start rewiring your brain, you will start automatically looking for alternatives and looking for that. The second step is to minimize the quantity. So reduce the amount of what you are eating. So once you have built the habit of talking to your brain and accepting that this is not what you are supposed to be doing, then you start reducing the amount of food intake, the unhealthy junk food intake. So I'm not saying that you should just cut it in half. No, slowly, a little by little, every day. Set yourself a target. Maybe start from one bite. Maybe start from one slice of pizza, something like that. But every day, just reduce a little by little, just like they do it with smoking or alcohol. So once you start reducing it, and if you are not satisfied, you are still hungry, replace it with something healthy option. So once you start doing it, you will start seeing the results that your brain will tell you to switch to the healthy diet, the healthy options. And this is how you improve your diet, which is one of the very important steps, as I mentioned in my previous video, included or connected with the thought process. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me on my email. Thank you.